Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations, and I'm very excited about my brand new Bowflex. This is an adjustable dumbbell. It will adjust all the way to 52.5 pounds. Right now, I've only got it set on 22.5, so I can do a lot of demonstrations and show you all about this fantastic product. Let's go ahead and kick it off right about now. One of the nice aspects of this system is the unique AntiGym technology. So let's say I want to lift only 5 pounds. I put 5 over here, 5 over here, lift straight up, and the weight now only weighs 5 pounds. Go ahead and drop it back in. You want to adjust it to 20 pounds? Move both sides to 20, lift straight up, and you're gonna have 20 pounds of resistance at all times. So that's absolutely fantastic, and the fact that it doesn't jam up like some of those other ones is a real bonus. Of course, the variety of workouts that you can perform with this type of weight is absolutely incredible. Right here, I'm hitting my shoulders and do a few sets of these, and it's absolutely fantastic. You can either switch sides or get 2 sets of these dumbbells. Bicep curls, easy peasy. Hammer curls, same thing. If you want to go over to your lean on something, you can go ahead and get dips as well. Want to work those triceps? Well, guess what, folks? Just get right in here, triceps. There's literally hundreds of different ways to get your workout. And don't think that you're limited to upper body activities. Go ahead, hold the weight, and get those squats in as well. You're gonna get a great calf and thigh workout. One of the things I like best is that you can start at just 5 pounds. So if it's an exercise you're not used to, you think you're gonna fatigue quick, start at a lower weight. Then after a few weeks of doing it, go ahead and build your way up to a heavier weight. But yeah, I'm absolutely in love with this thing. Pick up 2, you can do exercises at the same time or go side to side and just use 1 for starters. The bicep curls alone, you're gonna notice that you're growing that bicep. Tricep, you're gonna get a big difference. And it's an absolutely fantastic, fantastic product brought to you by Bowflex, which honestly has a great reputation in the workout community. All right, folks, before I let you go, I want you to take one last look at this fantastic product. Again, easy adjustment. The gears are made to not jam. That Bowflex quality, a nice rubberized handle to where you're not hurting your hands picking it up, and the fact that you're able to use weights anywhere from 5 pounds to 52.5. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm a big fan. You know, I've done so many workout videos here on Amazon, and I only show you products I love, I use, and I think you're gonna love. And when it comes down to it, this is the one that I decided I needed for my house, and if I'm only gonna have one, this is it. And I think you should get this one too. I'm Adam from Elite Demonstrations, where we show you the best of the best so you can forget the rest. Go ahead, take one last look before you put it in your cart. This thing is absolutely fantastic. Again, folks, thanks again for watching Adam Elite Demonstrations. Go ahead, pick it up. I think you're gonna love it. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.